Hello, we're ready for Unit 1, Week 4, Day 4 today. All right, this week we have been talking about what do friends do together. What are some things friends do together? Ride horses, ride bikes, play games together, right? All kinds of fun things. All right, let's think about some of our vocabulary from this week. Can you think of a time when you and your friends or family cooperated to get something done? I'm thinking about me and my family, and my kids tonight helped pick up the living room. They had balls everywhere. We have a ball pit. And so they cooperated and helped me pick up the living room before they went to bed. So they cooperated with me and helped me clean. So that was really nice. All right. Can you name some people you have a good relationship with? Some people that I have a good relationship with are like my mom and my dad and my husband and my daughter and my son. Right? Who do you have a good relationship with? All right. What chores do you do at home? Do you have any chores? Some of my chores are doing laundry and picking up and vacuuming and cleaning. Do you have any chores? Right, the next one. What do you like to collect? Do you like to collect things? What's something you like to collect? My mom loves to collect teddy bears. Right. Last one. What else can people have delivered to their homes? The last thing that we had delivered to our house was shoes. Mr. Santoya loves shoes. Do you like shoes? What's the last thing you had delivered to your house? Do you know? All right. Today we're going to read two different stories. All right, so our first story that we are going to read is called Friends. All right, are you ready? We're going to listen today. Here we go.
Friends by Nina Cruz. Pam and Jill are friends. They play a lot. Pam and Jill toss a ball. Pam hops. Jill hops too. They play tag. Pam is quick. Jill is not as quick as Pam. Jill is hot. She does not like tag. Pam makes a plan. She has a box. Jill looks in. It is a doll and a dog. Pam and Jill sit on a rock. They make up a game. The dog and doll are friends. Pam and Jill play, play, play. It is a fun day.
All right. All right, so what was our story about? It was about, who were the characters in our story? Pam and, do you remember the other one? Jill, right? Right, where were they at? Where were they at? What was the setting of our story? Looks like they were outside, right? What were they doing? They were playing. They played all kinds of games. They played with the ball, they played tag, they played with a doll, They play lots and lots of games, right? And they are friends. All right, here is our second thing that we're going to listen to. It is about a boy and his friend. All right, here we go.
There Are Days and There Are Days by Beatrice Shank de Renier. There are days I want to be all alone with only me for company, me and my cat. There are days like that. And there are days, many more, I don't want to be alone anymore. Then it seems to me jokes are funnier, honey's honeyer, sun is sunnier when I'm with a friend.
All right, so let's kind of compare those two stories. What were they both about? They were both about friends, right? But in our first story, did it talk about how sometimes maybe you want to be alone? No. But in our second story, the boy talks about sometimes he wants to be alone. And that's okay. There are some days where we just want to be alone, right? But then other days we just love to be with our friends. All right. Good job. Okay. Let's get back to this. Now you're going to tell me if these words rhyme. All right. Mop, top. Do they rhyme? Yeah, they both end in op. All right, what about these two? Pot, pit. Do those rhyme? No. One ends in ot and one ends in it. Those don't rhyme. What about dog, hog? Do those rhyme? Yeah, those rhyme. They both end in og. What about lock, sock? Yep, they rhyme. They both end in ock. All right, last one. Plot, plate. Do those rhyme? No, those don't rhyme. Good job. All right, to remember this week, we are focusing on a short vowel. And what short vowel are we focusing on? Oh, what does short O say? Aw, like in fox. Very good. All right, get those lion paws out. Here we go. Op, mop. Op, top. Ot, not. Ot, tot. Ooh, we got our high frequency words. You ready? I'm gonna go speedy fast. Here we go. They, to, make, fun. To, they, make, fun. They, fun. They, fun. Make, to, make, to. Good job. I hope you've been practicing those words. You can always play like go fish or something fun or memory with them. All right. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.